Puppy and his mother. Story. One night, Puppy is sleeping with his mother. Suddenly, he wakes up. He sees the moon and the stars. He wants to go out. Quietly, he gets up and Tip goes out of the house. Mother always tells him not to go out alone, but still he goes out alone. He walks into the garden. It is dark outside. He is scared. Suddenly, he sees someone behind a bush. It must be a big black dog Mother warns me about, he thinks. He starts crying loudly, "Mother, save me!" To his amazement, it is his mother. Out of the bush comes a figure. "Back to your bed," she says. Puppy happily does as mother tells him to do. He hugs his mother and they go back home. Moral: always listen to what elders say and don't defy them. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.